Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we're heading to see Mass Nevie. Please do remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's go. So we're walking to Mass Nevie this morning. Not going to chance it and drive the car today. Too much problems when we drive. Road bad.
Road bad and the car.
Hi, morning.
Morning.
So, wow. It's a pity Mass Nevie wasn't closer. It would be easier to have access to him, you know, on a more frequent basis, because the last time we come, maybe it was about 3 weeks or so ago, or more.
About
Long time. So we know by now, Mass Nevie probably a struggle with some food items and all of that. So going early this morning, because normally, like this morning is a Sunday morning, so normally if we don't go too early, we might end up at the shop.
Morning.
Hi, good morning.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Nice. I go from Mass Nevie.
Okay.
Yeah. Daxi Douglas, where pepper there? We have to go get some. Yes. Pick off all of them. No, we not pick young nothing. Thanks. So we are forward, we do that. Yeah. Fish I don't listen.
Boy, me already tired.
This is walking better than if you go for me stop the door. Far but
because
it's so steep.
Because the hill, man, I'm telling you. It stops the hill. Terrible.
You hear that?
I'm tired. I just thought walk, but I'm tired.
One go from us, man. We have to take up road walk. Yeah. So all who know walk up at the camera, take with themselves. Yes. We did make one long stop. I chat about different things.
Yeah.
Like can I go bust up a stone and see light fire upon it?
Oh, okay. That's a big one.
I forget one back off to push them. Yeah. Rooster crow down there. Yes. Get away fire, get away, come over here, so.
It looks that way. Yes, so guys, we want to big up our anonymous donors who sent us barrels, and so we can journey to Mass Nevie this morning and bring him groceries. Bless up to you guys, always supporting the channel. We appreciate it, and we pray that your store basket may never be empty. Marcel, let us say your pantry may never be empty. Wow. Ooh.
Bag heavy, you know?
I can only imagine. Me just did a look at it.
That drum it. No, do that. see I look out here now. I get ready to go to shop.
Soon reach, guys, soon reach. When we're done
Rocks.
this hill here.
Good morning, sir. Yeah, thanks and same to you. So you do? Yeah. Me see you look for me. Me see you look for me.
Yeah, man, yes, man.
Yeah. Watcha? Yeah.
Yes, man. Sierra Street, you know.
The must man, because the last time we checked for you, then, she said you're going down a bush down there, so.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yeah. We give God thanks, man.
Yeah, man. From me go over, so... Wednesday, me go over, so I last check up.
Okay. Everything good?
Yes, man. Everything good. Me now have to come back.
All right, sir.
Then say if me ever feel Likkle illness, we can check them back.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so me good going here.
All right.
Yes, man.
Send up the praises then, yeah?
Yes, man. All right.
All right. Yes, man. Cool. All right. So they clean up the farm up and everything, so.
It look pretty now.
So then the game already.
Pretty, man. Okay, so see, we're almost reached.
Reach on the flat there now.
Yeah. Can't walk in on the water this morning at all.
I make.
Because we have on holy shoes.
But I hold the shoes if you walk in the water. The water and stay in it. So that hold more water more than your one.
We have more holes.
Yeah.
More holes. Yeah.
Me see much hole enough here.
Oh, please.
I dry weather boot them.
Good thing it not rain.
Yeah.
But it's comfortable. They go with them, they watch the last time, them coming up
Yes,
nicely.
we gon' go them a grow. You think they're roadside I feel all away now. Yeah.
Wow.
Give me a stagger, sir.
I wonder what could cause that.
Maybe me hungry. I wonder how I walk so close to you, not sure.
Yeah, try to get away from the mud.
If you go say my turn Rasta.
Who?
Maybe. But I tell some my phone not ring, you know. Mama call you back in a few. You hear my boss? Yeah. Yeah, good. Like him a drill somebody.
All right.
Yes.
Thank God.
We almost reach. Dig here, man. Dig back here already.
Up here so soggy with the water stream, you see?
Yeah. That's water.
Running from off the hill. It's so mad.
If you look out.
I need to sit down.
Sit on the veranda.
Mass Nevie. Morning.
Time we come here, I tell we. Where I tell we say? Eh? Every time we come here, I tell you, man. Eh? 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 Where I find a yard for? We always have find for you.
Here you know.
Oh, you say the second person I said that about me now.
But me not soon and that what happened to the dead. I was sick. A long time you know soon man.
When I don't know what you talk about.
Oh, we glad for
When I do them something.
we glad man, we rejoice to that too man. Yeah man, so
Oh, things.
rugged. After you left me, the boss must say rugged.
I was like you. So we don't know.
No. Oh God. Glad we soon man.
Yeah.
Glad we soon.
I want to your head, so its head top look like something scratchy in there.
Yes sir.
Or like a long mark.
Yes sir.
No, up in the head top.
Up here sir. I say it's there. I you know okay female
Now come back let's my
she circle the circle. If I
broke one back and use it.
yes, if I run so.
Yeah.
If I run so man.
We have to come back, man.
Yeah.
We have to come back and do that.
Yes. Me say me a beg up you. I somebody be say that thing you come give me, man. Me glad and he help me, sister. Me show you it. I don't know who will know that say it help me so. Now I feel me say very night. Where did you know where? Hold on, you see now, so no come here, watch you now. Give me this. And no. Now, friends. Gone.
Well, come Mass Nevie.
You peel them in a box, you make care of him, and me say help me.
So if you help you, where you look feet for?
No, me that's
what you done then?
It done, so me that.
So top look feet, I done.
So me ask you say that's if you lady.
Oh, the label, the box you look for?
Yeah.
Oh.
Satan. Satan.
Satan in there.
And oh, I know this side in there. Yeah, other side. I look at the wrong thing. Yeah, another side. I beg them say do. Me say when that me hand pain, me couldn't sleep. You know me have you take hot water. And me say I use me get it got you take hot water. And me say but it peel.
Hi, Bull. Not much. How you do?
The peel when there. Me say me take hot water and burn it. And burn it and take one of the pills. It done you know.
Got do some work here.
God bless this somebody there. We send this
yes, later.
I don't know how they know say me do on this.
Let me see what name. Oh, ibuprofen.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so it done now?
Yes, they done. I
oh, just left. One leave?
Yes, ma'am.
No, hold on. Let me see for one.
I have one.
Two leave. Two leave.
I see the description here.
Oh, no need that. You remember this. You can keep it box.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Tell them say.
Sing this on my boss.
Yes, sir. Tell them say God bless you.
Walking up and down. Where you look for?
God bless them, man. Me say, me hand pain me with the night whole night. Me have to get up and take hot. I couldn't sleep.
So it better now?
I have to take one of the pill.
Okay, and it help you?
It help me, man. No,
So why said the ham today, honey? They get cut on it?
over Mr. Earl, that chop grass, man. And it chop to the vein, you know. I say I bleed. When me go down, I try the man. They say they can't do no to it. And they have to rush me to Christiana. You see, all the clothes me have on, me go to Christiana. Me have to take off your name, have to give me different clothes. But my daddy did tell me, say, you get a chap man for me. They don't know if me don't believe in Jerry Johnson. And me go a San. And go chop one. Yes. Yeah. And then chop one banana.
And chop in hand.
Aye. And my daddy say, me just chop one of the young banana.
I think he bleed to that now.
No hit man. He bleed to. Yes man. And I go to the man. My daddy say, when me get it chop. I go to the banana bendy there, and me go chop one of the young one and slam it down pani and hold it down. It's me never say so me have blood body.
Just a spray.
It just a that's
beat it. Man.
Yes, all you like them say boy.
Pump it down.
Oh God, me say me never get the advice, mommy. Dead.
You did get stitches, come
oh gosh!
In your hand.
So it got it chopped to the vein. After that time, doctor said me have sugar. Dead. Right to be.
You don't have no sugar?
No, sir. No sugar, only the pressure.
So you put in IT.
You want to come with us? Let's go with us. Come with us.
Oh boy, so what you did have to eat this morning, Mass Nevie?
Miss, I don't have no. It's sad thing when I run the last time, I have fun and rice me have in this, and I say no, but me say me have.
Then let's cook it with butter, man. I eat.
Me no have no butter in the back, no butter.
Yeah, not you.
Yes.
Then no fried rice, man.
Oh God. No good rice. No.
Follow me on Mass Nevie.
Me say, well, let's see, me have two for me say, we no must know, you know. I don't consider me.
You know how I go over here?
Yes, man, but me here, man, for me here.
Yeah.
Me here, so you know. Me see my guy they did that tell me. So now good. And I said me could have just walk through this so.
Come down.
The iron tell you, kiddie.
Kiddie, yeah. He said me could have just walk.
You say you can't manage.
Yeah, you can't manage the road. I mean, no, so me know the lady we next door there too. Yes, me and she are good. Me and she talk good too.
Okay. Alright, so Mass Nevie,
Yes, mom.
we have some grocery items for you this morning.
Yeah.
So we have some anonymous donors who always support us and they send barrels, so we could bring you some grocery from it.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, and we stop a shop though and get your chicken and seasoning though.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will have chicken for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Plate one is so put it in. So one big plate one is.
Oh, put the chicken on you so.
In a big plate to your head boy. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, but you want to sort out, you know that?
You wash out, man, you clean.
Okay, you put your chicken right here, the seasoning on top here.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you have cooking oil here. You have cooking oil or run out?
No, I'm not run out there cooking.
Yeah, dusty with flour.
Yes, ma'am.
And the flour in this. Put what the oil. So this is oil and flour here.
I will give me a good kid go get flour, you know, for me. No flour.
So you have one big bag of flour right now.
Right, no,
Yeah. And cooking oil.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I might as well have the rest right here.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, God.
You have to go call me when you come up here in my house.
You see, we get a nice show, you see the.
Yeah.
Can't even take off your bag. Heavy.
It's dry, man.
Yeah. So you drum them full of water now?
No, so you do say you see them go to church up in the valley for one of the drum open.
So you don't get no water?
Get up,
Mass Nevie, you have salt?
Yes, man.
So you don't want no salt?
Give me salt, can't too much. If I put it in my pot.
You can't eat salt alone?
No, sir.
So you have to take it off.
Take it put on.
You salt there. You know, if you put it on, you know, if you use too much.
Yeah.
That's one more for rice or something.
Yeah.
Them are rice.
Yes, sir. You like them rice, yeah, man?
You like them?
Yeah.
And so you got one whole heap in there.
And you know, me know get man, when me had the rice and cook rice and peas, me know them see them put it in there. The season, the coconut seed powder.
Oh, you know no
So
coconut?
rice can't cook without coconut?
You can't cook without the coconut.
What do you mean?
You can't cook so much.
How many talks, man?
If you have butter coconut powder, a coconut powder, blame it, you know.
You don't have to blame it. Remember you wanna eat, you know, man.
No, sir.
Over
I tell you now, I got no taste.
Of course,
You know,
put salt
sir.
in a head.
You know, I got no taste. I've just seen you think if you eat anything and you don't have no melon in it, it don't make sense.
If you don't have no melon.
Yeah, that's right.
This say a pear slice. This.
Pear slice.
This you can just pull and eat the same way. I want whole heap of soup in a can soup, Mass Nevie.
Yes, man.
You know them?
Yeah, man. I like them the soup.
You like it?
The canned one?
Yes, yes, man. You just happy cut your pan.
Oh, okay.
So you have one whole heap in there, so I feel like
Yes. You just
everything pan it up.
pull up it.
Yeah.
So you just straighten up. You can't hat up same way.
Yeah, man, just throw it. No, I can.
Me know. Me know just straighten up. What?
I say you can hat up same way.
I had the water to it.
No, I don't know. Me just want to say a soup.
Wait, Mass Nevie, the pan they too far.
Them in I pan them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you want to put them in there. The pan close to you, sir.
Alright.
Pan the beside you now, Mass Nevie.
Yeah, so this I can't hat up side way.
And all of them have the thing to pull up.
Yes,
You know,
man.
But you have to put them separately so you know which is which.
Me know them, man. Then you know you.
But you have the pear too with the same type of pull up on
No,
it.
but this are bigger.
And the big yeah.
Oh, that bigger, yeah. Good observation. Soup as well.
Alright, put them down.
The pan is right there, yeah.
So a pan dry though. God, what God is God.
Them here now, it's a spinach. You know spinach?
Yeah.
So canned spinach.
Yeah.
How do you feel so like?
You feel wet?
No, we carry my bag way.
Nothing.
So you just
Look
cook
at
it
that
up.
one in a Mass Nevie
You
hand.
have to cut them out one there.
Alright, man.
I said, look at the one the Mass Nevie have.
If you can feel like something, that may be the job.
Maybe something in there with it up.
Okay. No. Plastic bag, it didn't hold this, my boss. One more down in there. See one more down in there. So all of them they're on the same side.
This is when you cook now, you just straighten it.
Spinach and vegetables like cantaloupe.
Yeah.
The more rice. That's what they say. Sliced potato. You know sliced potato?
No, sir.
It's Irish potato in a tin.
It's on there, so. You know it, yeah.
Mass Nevie eat raisin?
Yes, sir. Raisin come like cheese.
Raisin?
Yeah.
Come like what?
Cheese.
No man, it's only like a black something. Sweet.
Oh. But that when you cook, you have to put it in there.
No man, you can't eat it same way, because you're not bake nothing.
Or you can put it in the oats and then make it, but don't use too much because it's sweet.
You have to put it in that way you cook.
Huh?
When you
No
cook.
man, that's not going on no cooking.
Oh.
I give you one of this and make it tasty.
Oh.
Careful. Be careful, yes, now. Don't pull it here.
Yes.
I buy the plastic.
You cut it.
I buy it, you know, auntie.
Where is it, man? I tell you, oh.
You can just throw it in and case it.
So this is still.
That's something like the raisin.
Oh. Boy, sweet brother.
Throw water pan in.
Don't eat too much, just a little bit. No more for now.
We are doing the food.
Which food?
In rice.
Mass Nevie, I'm going to put all of the berries in there and rice, you know.
Cornflakes.
Yeah, man.
You eat it?
But me like old smoke.
For oats.
You don't have no oats.
Yeah.
Something wet in my back, man. Sit that trick.
Check and see what it is.
I don't find out. I put in a cornflakes, sir. This is macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
You know if you cook it?
I'll go tell you how. You hear, Mass Nevie?
Yes, ma'am.
So Mass Nevie, a little sweet something.
Just drop them in there.
Put them in a pot.
Put them in there, brother.
And keep them.
Put them in there.
I'm going to put them in a rice. I mean, I eat them so. Too sweet.
Yeah.
This is spaghetti something. Yes, spaghetti, not spee.
Just tell Mass Nevie say macaroni.
It's a macaroni, my general.
So it's now you have to cook in a, put in a rice.
No.
You talk about cook in a rice.
You cook up in the
can
bread?
by yourself.
Pop up and cook it by yourself.
Yes, you don't have to break up.
Just cook it same way.
It's that this too.
No, this I go with it. This is sauce where you mix. When you cook it, you throw that pan.
Oh, you know that one.
So two sauce you have to go with.
Yeah. Cook up
Woo!
here.
Careful.
Are you bounce out of my hand in my
Yes,
hand?
I go put it on different.
Put it different, Mass Nevie, so you remember.
Yeah, man. You know.
Put that with that.
Yeah. So me can cook this and this together.
Just cook the macaroni first and then you drain it. And then you put the sauce in a saucepan.
Yes, sir.
You can spice it up if you want, if you put black pepper and stuff on it.
This I mix.
And drop back the macaroni in it.
Oh, cook mixed vegetable. Oh, now what with them? What is mixed vegetable?
And me look at who called to me. Oh, where you want to go? You lost. Yeah. All right. All right, Mass Nevie, that's you. But remember, you have the chicken where you can cook today.
Yes, ma'am.
And the flour and the oil, this I put in a pan too.
Yes, sir.
Now what your problem? What you look so?
Where did you want?
Well, I starting them, you know. We heavy. Cook with them.
You worry about salting?
Fish kind also.
Oh, but you have the chicken there, season it up, and you have that for too.
Just worry about today. Don't worry about today. Don't worry about tomorrow neither.
Alright.
Yes, you got alright.
Yeah. But I said, thing last week, I forgot me texting down I shop this, you know. I mean, that telephone last week said,
Take down there.
if you you sugar the done too.
What you want down there?
Around $500 down there.
You want $500?
Yeah.
Alright, me tell you what I got to do. We are Kamaki chicken go get them take your money, pay 500, a bill where you hold here.
But that I went from last week, this week, you know. Can't put last week and this week together.
Well, at least you have for today and possibly tomorrow. So don't worry about the Lord will take care of it.
Over salting, then what will be the problem?
Me know,
Yes, ma'am.
but at least you have something for today and
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow.
Yes, yeah. Yeah.
So you gonna go back down at the shop?
If me no get nothing, you know.
But Mass Nevie, you don't like the tin food either, you know. You don't like the mackerel and the stuff.
No, you don't have fridge. If you didn't have one fridge, no. You have electricity if you plug in.
Yeah.
So if you got
have that, we could have carry like one.
Yeah.
One chicken, two chicken food.
I put so you know when you talk about the chicken food for me, they like it in a soup, you know, man.
Yeah. But you don't have no fridge, so
No
we can't
fridge.
carry. The only thing we can't carry meat where you can cook.
Cook one time.
yeah.
Last week, I have to go take half pound of saltfish too. But saltfish keep it longer, you know.
But the salt, no, it's still not good for you to.
No, I soak out it. You put like me go cook it later now. You put no water for now. They still later now you soak out good. Yeah. all onion and all them things. You know what all them things they
So that down at the shop where you're going
yes,
now?
man, everything down there.
So you for just
Onion and say, then I where the go to see me have to get when me no get a skill and me have to get a skill around there so.
The skeleton can you same way?
Yes.
Oh, they never have no onion.
No, but me did that cook a soup so me say.
Oh.
For me like soup too, you know you can.
Mass Nevie, you're special though, you know?
Yes, man.
No more special, can look here.
Yeah.
You see when we are going to cook soup,
Yeah.
anything we have. If
No.
we don't have skeleton and thyme and onion and garlic, we cook soup same way.
How will I say?
I tell you.
And it tastes good same way.
All we do, we just, if a chicken foot, because I'm also chicken foot soup we do. Chicken foot, and if we don't have no yam, we put dumpling in it, and peas.
So you put double in
Chicken
there.
foot and cock soup, we don't know one name Dougal.
Dougal, chicken dougal.
Yes, man. How me have to get that too? You have to get that
So
too.
yeah, make it look like if you don't have butter,
No,
skeleton,
no, if me have butter.
and then something
And
like
coconut milk.
coconut milk, you can't cook. Cook what you have.
You have to just
Mass
Nevie, when you have those things, you use them. But if you don't have them, then you have to do with what you have until you get it.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
You don't worry about it, say you don't have this, say you don't have that. Work with what you have.
Something you know, cook chicken.
Me have to skill around it.
You never have this kind of way that
We'll get.
You don't have to go get it to cook the chicken?
Maybe season it up.
Yeah, but you have powdered seasoning for now.
Mass Nevie,
Yeah.
tell us something. This is salt and black pepper. Season anything.
Yeah, but me not have black pepper either.
No, but if you didn't have
Yes,
other
yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
But salt and if you have fried fish, you can use salt and black pepper alone, you know.
Yeah.
And you don't have to put no skeleton and onion and something in it.
Like you use the skill and all the onion.
Oh Lord, thank God you
I
have
don't know
piece
how
of
we are going to
skeleton.
manage you.
I know,
Make
so-
one skeleton bed and me get the plant, come give you
Yes.
something for your plant.
That, yeah, me don't know how me go manage, but if me don't got it, me have to go on. Me have to go on and trust God, bro.
You have to go on. And you're not going dead if you not get it.
No, sir.
Oh,
But dead,
so
bro.
you can't do without it then. Till you have it.
Yes, then me not have to do without it. If me don't have it. But like a chicken, you know. Me couldn't say, well, then I cook a chicken, you know, no, you know, season for season it.
Yeah,
It
man.
wouldn't
One
taste
pack of
good.
season did it for season chicken.
Yeah, I don't know
But you
what
may
taste.
say now, you see?
Yeah.
If you have the chicken
Yes, sir.
and you don't have no season, if you put pan in and you have salt, put the salt pan in and fry. You know that?
Me never do that yet.
You better do it. Better learn to do it.
Yeah.
Time hard. Therefore,
That's definitely not easy.
yeah. So how you buy a piece of canned beef and just cook it same ways? You don't have to season it because it's salt in it. It's salt. You know? So me I say, my general,
Me I cook long time.
Mass Nevie, me I go teach you for conserve. Nobody make it look like a tree you don't have something you don't have it.
You know, two.
You have to work with what you have.
Me tell you say you can't cook soup without just the cock soup alone.
You know that me I say
Well, it's seasoned up already.
if me got the cock soup, me cook soup, yes. But sometimes, you know, me have mix butter.
Not have in it neither. That's too much grease that for you. Yeah, cook if you are cooking rice, you do the rice and you don't have no butter, you can't cook. Throw the oil in a pot.
That's salt.
That's what me
That's
do.
all.
And garlic.
The butter have to make the butter for oil the pot. That's it. You not burn in a pot, you know.
Yeah.
And it gives it a little flavor too. That's why I
but
want
it's
it.
salty, butter salty, you know.
Yes. Yeah.
You can't cook without butter, man. All the coconut milk, you know, good for you. Especially the powder. Although you go get one coconut, miss one coconut tree down, so you put one of them one at a time you pass and come great at it.
It's me I cook if I see me have peas in this one for last week. When you carry peas come give me, me don't have no coconut. Powder to put in there.
And you know about that cookie?
I Saturday me go down so go get one coconut season.
Oh, you go down so far Saturday and spot together.
Friday me mean I go down.
Are you saying no, sir?
I mean,
You know what you mean?
me use the coconut season. You know. If you go cook your rice, you know, and the peas, you know, and you know no coconut season, you know go eat good, sir.
Mass Nevie.
Now go
Food
good.
and eat it. Some people the African have nothing to eat. And you have rice,
Mass Nevie.
peas, salt. And now it tastes good.
Mass Nevie, they don't worry, say we no come. I know we come, Mass Nevie, still a worry.
You not worry.
Yeah.
We have one discussion.
We have a good discussion.
Me a teach
You not
Mass
worry.
Nevie.
You not worry,
Me
man.
a teach Mass Nevie
You
to
must glad to
survive
come.
when you don't have certain things.
Me no must glad say no come, but me I tell you how it go.
You
Yeah.
learn to survive without certain things.
Yeah, tell me that
And you
thing.
have the peas. Look here. Then you don't know say. You see my boss. You may say no.
No worry, man.
You see peas what you have there?
Yeah.
I tell you how you can do it. You wash the peas. Put in a water.
Me so okay. Yeah.
Alright. You don't have no seasoning.
No.
And you don't have no food.
Yeah.
Cook your peas with little salt. And keep little oil in the water. Make it cook. And then you just take that and eat the same way. You can't do that. The peas alone.
Oh, okay, I eat, yeah.
Peas are protein, you know.
Mass
Peas are
Nevie.
protein. You don't want nothing more. Eat the peas alone.
Mass Nevie no want them, there's something they so.
The belly full you want.
No belly full, but me like when me eat thing, it must
It must
taste it.
taste good.
Tasty.
Yes, taste
But
good.
I go season to your taste with the salt.
But we are talking about a situation where just in case
Yes, man.
you know, you don't have nothing else you can.
Yes, me know what, man.
Yeah.
Then me go do, me have to cook
And
it.
when you have something else,
Yeah.
you still can't cook your peas alone and eat it.
Mm.
You never know that.
Oh, sir.
Oh God, man.
Cookie baby peas.
Peas alone
Be peas.
and eat it.
Cook.
And see if you're building a full and see if you don't wake up tomorrow morning.
Oh boy.
Thank you, no, sir.
A survival mood winner.
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you, no.
We're in a survival mode.
Yes, sir.
So, and not because you don't have something, you don't have one thing you say you run out of food. Cook you have and eat it.
Yeah.
If a flour alone you have and little oil, you make 2 fritters and eat it and go to your bed.
I like that. After me,
Mix some sugar and water and eat your fried fritters go to your bed.
you don't know, you know, can sugar now.
Sugar?
But you have sugar.
No, man.
See sugar over there, so in the jar on the ground there.
That me have it, so.
Yeah, but you have. That's half bottle of sugar.
We have sugar, you know, but you know say you have one over that carry it.
You know, say, Friday, me buy that the sugar there. Me go down and go get the sugar there. 1 pound me take. But me say, me now come down carry. The sugar,
Next time we
remember say the sugar there now, me have to drink it tea fresh. But if pound of sugar there now, can say me around 2 weeks, you know.
Then 2 weeks, not enough for 1 pound of sugar, man.
Right.
Long time that, you know. Yeah.
So you say no, you say you carry no oats
Cornflakes.
so so I mean you know carry no lasco. Put it in there. It can't drink so. With lasco, without the lasco too.
You know, so you can't eat it and have to put it in no water.
When you go to the shop, you get one Lasco, Mass Nevie. Yeah?
Yes.
Mass Nevie, we don't know where you don't have fun where you have. And sometimes we go and shop where we are dealing with the immediate issue. Like,
Yeah, like we stop and get the
So we make sure so we bring the
chicken.
Oh God, yes sir.
And sometimes, Mass Nevie, that is what we're able to afford at the moment.
Yes ma'am.
You understand?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
You see you? See you? That they are looking for.
They mean I say thank you no one. They
boy.
person never come.
Mass Nevie.
Oh me da manage.
Mass Nevie, I
So
forgot.
what you don't have?
What you want next time when we are come?
When they come now.
Yeah.
You carry, if you get the onion for you use, you carry onion. All right, and the sugar and the oats. If you don't got nothing more, you carry the sugar and the oats and the lasco. Could you know?
But Mass Nevie, let me tell you something.
Yes.
When we're coming, because we are coming, but you see the barrels were sent, so we pull what we have from the barrel to give you.
From the barrel, yes.
The only reason why we went to the shop
Yeah.
is because we
You
know
want
that
the
you never
chicken.
had any chicken, so sometimes there might not be enough funds because
Yeah.
it's personal funds that we use to buy you the chicken this month. Because we know it's a Sunday and you don't have no meat.
No meat, no.
Right, so sometimes some other things that you need immediately, like the Lasco and so on, we may not be able to buy it at the moment. But next time now,
Yes,
if you're
sir.
able to, then you will get it.
All right, thanks.
Right? I just say it go. So, you know, so we might know say you need some extra stuff, you know, but we just like Marcel said, deal with what is urgent and immediate. Yeah.
I beg the people to send this up to me, say that we could, you know.
How would you send it, Congia?
I see it carry to me.
But who send it?
I don't know who send it.
Then you have a beg and you don't know who to beg.
It's,
not see that
it's
yet?
Lady D from England sent it for you.
See me happy tell her.
So all the way in England that did that come from, you know.
Lady D.
You know rich as well.
They know you mean.
You know police and soldier guard if you come in and you done this so quick.
Yeah, I'm going to take it every day.
I take every day for a tonic.
And me I send tonic too.
Yeah?
Me I send tonic too.
And you done the tonic?
No, sir.
That you should have done where you done the pill for.
Alright, Mass Nevie.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
You want to know you feel longness or which one?
This is the one you said there's no can't eat said we.
Yeah, pear.
Ah, this is what you said this is no.
Irish potato.
Sliced. So it can cook in a sin too.
You cook already.
Yes, ma'am, but with your cooking, you just cook your throat in there. You just would now.
Or you can put it in a soup.
Yes, ma'am. I put on my two right now.
Alright.
I don't remember how I put this out.
You put it on the bed, sit right down the ground.
Then we have a little place where you put this.
Yes, we. All right.
This after you put it. Right there you put it.
Yeah, we'll get the milk. We'll ask for the thing to do. Yeah, this one is still for me. I sent it today. Yeah.
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
yourself tomorrow.
Or about today,
Tomorrow, yeah.
Don't worry about nothing.
Yes.
Tomorrow you can cook that.
Yes, ma'am. So you say now, them here? We can just cook this, I said we.
Yeah.
Cook it and drain it, and then you put the tin stuff in the saucepan, and then you add back the macaroni to it.
We know we sauce.
Yes, the sauce.
Let me tell you, man. This one is a cook. You cut them and throw it on it.
You know, so you say.
So suppose water in there, you're going to just put it in there?
Some spaghetti don't have water, sauce.
So this I can cook 2 times.
Yeah, man, if you want, and you do you can 1 can to half of that.
Yeah.
So you pull out
Yeah,
your fully and take out half.
I never cook them yet, you know.
1 pound.
Yeah.
Alright, Mass
Now
Nevie.
you put it down till we come back and cook it for you.
You now got the time.
Oh.
Yeah, so for your brother, you know,
Alright.
for your cousin, the one that used to come and out for him, for him brother, though, then we beat up to one in the hospital.
Oh.
Alright, guys, so this is it. We're gonna leave Mass Nevie now. We'll leave now here, Mass Nevie?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Money you have in your pocket or you have
No,
in
sir.
your pocket, so?
This is me, I don't want to last. When you get money, me no money.
You know no money?
No,
Oh.
no money. If money, I could have got pay. Don't so.
Alright everyone, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Thank you for walk on the journey.
Alright.
Not bad.